dear students of KG2, good morning. So, KG2, just look out of the window. What do you see in the sky? Yes, it is the bright sun that is shining. What else can you listen? Can you listen the birds chirping? The birds are chirping and the sun is shining brightly in the sky. Okay, so this is your EVS class and we are going to study chapter number 15, that is days and nights today. Okay, so let us do the picture reading fast. Now what can you see in the first picture? In the first picture, I can see 2 or 3 children playing. They are playing and I can see that the sun is shining brightly. So, when it is bright out there, that means it is the morning time. Just look at the picture. See the sun shining in the sky? Look at the children playing in the playground. So this is morning time. Now, when it is morning, that means in the morning the sun rises. After a few hours, the sun comes up in the sky. Okay. When the sun rises, it is morning time. The sun rises, it comes up in the sky. We wake up and get ready for school in the morning. है ना? जब सुबह होती है, सूरज निकलता है, हम उठते हैं और स्कूल के लिए रेडी होकर स्कूल जाते हैं. Isn't it? Now what happens after few hours? उसके थोड़े देर बाद क्या होता है? Do you know that? Now tell me, at what time do you get up in the morning? There's a question. At what time do you get up? Do you wake up? Wake up. C-W-A-K. Wake up in the morning. So I wake up at 6 a.m. I'm writing. I wake up at 6 a.m. You can write you wake up at 7 a.m. No problem. So you just have to write when do you get up or when do you wake up. Now see here this picture. What the girl is doing, I think she has just come back from the school. Now what is given? When the sun goes high up in the sky, in the morning the sun rises और after few hours क्या होता है कि sun जो होता है ना वो ठीक हमारे सर के ऊपर होता है in the sky and shines very brightly और बहुत तेज चमकता है. तब वो कौन सा समय होता है? दोपहर का समय होता है. That is, it is noon. It is noon. And when does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. And the sun goes up high in the sky at noon. And it shines very brightly. We come back from school and have our lunch at noon. Then afternoon, what happens? Afternoon, after few hours, the sun sets. सूरज जो सुबह राइज हुआ था वो शाम आते आते क्या होता है? सेट हो जाता है और उसके बाद होती है रात. Okay, जब सूरज ढलता है, जब सूरज सेट होता है, उस टाइम को कहा जाता है evening. That is our playing time. After that, at night, the moon comes up in the sky. In the morning time, the sun comes up in the sky, it shines brightly. But at night, the moon comes up in the sky, and we also see stars in the sky at night. Now the question is, at what time do you sleep? At what time do you sleep? Here the question is, at what time do you sleep at night? And the answer is, I sleep at 9 p.m. I sleep at 9 p.m. Here the question was, at what time do you get up? So I get up at 6 a.m. and I sleep at 9 p.m. At night, we have our dinner and wish everyone good night. रात में हम डिनर लेते हैं, डिनर खाते हैं एंड सबको गुड नाइट बोलकर सो जाते हैं. ओके. Now see here in the pictures what is given. Look at the pictures. Write M if you do them in the morning and N if you do them at night. Okay, so this will be your homework. आप जो काम मॉर्निंग में करते हैं उसमें M लिखेंगे और जो काम इवनिंग में करते हैं, रात में करते हैं, उसमें नाइट लिखेंगे. Okay, now the oral of this chapter. We'll do the oral of this chapter and the questions are, first question is, when does the sun rise? When does the sun rise? And the answer is, the sun rises in the morning. Second question, when does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening. The sun rises in the morning and it sets in the evening. When does the sun goes up high up in the sky? Sun स्काई में सर के ऊपर कब जाता है? Yes, the sun goes high up in the sky in the noon time. दोपहर के समय जाता है. In the noon time, the sun goes high up in the sky. And the last question is, when does the moon and the stars come up in the sky? Moon and stars जो होते हैं, moon and stars, वो sky में कब आते हैं? The moon and the stars come up in the sky at night. So there are 4 times during the day: morning, noon, evening and night. Now today's classwork. Now let us start with the classwork. First of all, we have to learn and write spellings. Okay, we have to learn and write spelling. Now again I will start teaching you the chapter. When does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. L-E-A-R-N, learn. And write. The first spelling is morning. M-O-R, more. N-I-N-G, ning, morning. And this you have to write 5 times or 3 times. You have to learn the spelling and then you have to write M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Number 2. When does the sun go high up in the sky and bright and shine very brightly? It is the noon time. N double O N, noon. N double O N, noon. And it is the time when we take lunch. In the morning we take breakfast, and in the afternoon we take lunch. Number 3. When do you go to play? Yes, it is the evening time when the sun sets. We go out to play. But we should not play outside after the sunset because it gets dark. जब sunset हो जाता है तो dark हो जाता है. तो we should come back to home. The sun sets in the evening. See the spelling? EVENING. 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 The sun sets in the evening. Number 4. What time does come after evening? Evening के बाद कौन सा time आता है? It is the night time. NIGHT, night. Everybody has to learn the spelling. NIGHT, night. And what happens at night? We take our dinner and we go to sleep at night. In the morning, the sun rises. At noon, the sun goes high up in the sky. In the evening, it sets. And at night, we take dinner and we go to sleep. Next is number 5. Number 5 is rise. RISE, rise. Rise means ugna. In Hindi it is called uday hona. RISE, rise. When does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. The sun rises in the morning. When does the sun set? SET, set मतलब होता है अस्त होना. The sun sets in the evening. SET, set. The sun sets in a evening. Number 7. Yes, when do you see the stars? When do you see the stars? We see the stars at night in the sky. We see the stars at night in the sky. Now, what shines in the sky during the night time? रात के समय आसमान में क्या शाइन करता है? Yes, it is the moon and the stars. SH, INE, ein, shine. Ein, shine. SHINE, shine. SHINE, shine. Now the 9th one, sky. 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 SKY, sky. SKY, sky. So this was today's classwork that we have done. Chapter number 15, days and nights, and we have done morning, noon, evening, night. You have to learn and write these spellings. Rise, set, star, shine and sky. Okay, KG2. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.